Hi, you guys. Miss Lezlee here. I'm here to play a game with you. This is a 10 frame, so you'll need this for the game, and you'll need your bag of beans. This 10 frame is on the other side of the math sentence for spill the beans. Okay, so first, I called this a 10 frame, so I'm challenging you. Can you make one bean fit in each square? Like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why we call this a 10 frame. Yeah, cool. Okay, another thing you could do with this is show children with your fingers how many you want them to reproduce on the 10 frame. So if I flash, did you say 4? That's right, 4. So I want to see what 4 looks like. It looks like that. You could ask your child to add 1 to the 4. If you add 1 to 4, you get 4, 5. That's counting on. Another way you could use this is to say, I want you to show me. Did you say 5? Ooh, you knew fast 5. Good job. So fill in your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could also find out what is missing from 10. Ooh, if this one's 5, I know that this one's 5. But I could count to make sure and check my work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that was it. So there are some fun ways to use the 10 frame. I hope you have fun counting beans. Thank you. Stay safe and have a good day.